The world is changing.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly growing technology that has the potential to revolutionize the world. However, as AI grows more sophisticated and widespread, the fear of the dangers of AI justifiably becomes bigger. In this video, we will go through the risks associated with AI, how to survive them, and better still, how to take advantage of them. The first danger of AI is the lack of transparency and explainability. AI and deep learning models can be difficult to understand, even for those that work directly with the technology. Majority of people do not know or understand how AI really works, how and why it makes its decisions. This leads to a lack of transparency. Widespread AI gets, the more there will be need to know how and why AI comes to its conclusions, or else AI will end up causing more harm than good. Microsoft laid off 10,000 workers. Google laid off 12,000 workers. Duolingo laid off around 10% of its workers to be replaced with AI. The question is, are you really safe? The risk of job loss due to AI automation may spiral in the future. AI-powered job automation is a pressing concern as the technology is adopted in industries like marketing, manufacturing, and healthcare. Very likely, every major field in the world would need to integrate AI in their work, which may not be good for most workers. The third danger of AI is the risk of privacy violations. AI algorithms can be used to collect and analyze vast amounts of data, which can be used to track individuals and invade their privacy. Now, here comes the main part: how do you survive this revolution? What are the steps to take, not just to survive but to take advantage of this new wave of technology? 1. Stay informed. It is utmost importance to be informed and educated about the AI technology. Do not act ignorantly towards it, or you may end up regretting later on. 2. Demand transparency and accountability from companies that use AI. 3. Learn skills. Not just any skill, but skills that complement AI and are less likely to be automated, such as creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. AI is a powerful technology that has the potential to change the world. However, it is important to be aware of the risks associated with AI and to take steps to mitigate those risks. But the truth is, whether you like it or not, AI is coming your way, so brace yourself.
Please like and subscribe to support the channel.